A little CrossFit. I didn't go to the gym this morning. Oh. Without even warming up.
Yeah.
High pull. Oh.
Yeah.
Been hitting the gym. Yeah. 798. 799. 800. All right, time to film. Got a good pump going. Oh, I didn't see you there. What's up, guys? Christopher Polvoorde. Today we are here at our race shop. The prep is going down on our trophy truck spec, the Optima Batteries Ford Raptor truck. But I came in today and I wanted to show you how we apply steel it here at the race shop. So here's one of the upper links off the race truck. As you can see, it's already been steeled, but this has the Baja 1000 on it, and I think another race maybe. This has a lot of Baja hard miles and 2 full days of testing in San Felipe, so she's taken some abuse. So we just wanted to reapply. So I'll walk you through what we do here and how we do it at the shop. So first off, get yourself a nice bench. And we're gonna start off just Scotch brightening it a little. Get some of this little bit of surface rust from where it has been tattered, and then just try to smooth it out, and then, yeah, so let's get started.
A few moments later.
Now that we've Scotch brighted, I'm just gonna take a rag, I'm gonna wipe it down, get some of the excess dust off. Once I do that, then I'm gonna grab some acetone. Be careful with this stuff. I think you're supposed to wear a mask. Put that in, and then simply wipe it down. Get her all nice and cleaned up. Now that part's ready for, that's prepped for paint. Now I'm gonna tape off my FK rod ends to protect them with some simple blue tape. Blue tape. You guys should come check out my house. I blue taped my window. I broke my own window yesterday getting into my house. My door handle broke, so it like wouldn't open. Like the deadbolt was undone, but the little latch was like the handle was literally broken, and I couldn't get it open. And it was either like drill it all apart, or I had this window that had a crack in it, so I just pried the window open and broke it and went through the window. Yeah, we get like 2 rainy days a year in California, and the worst day, it's like, yeah, perfect day not to have a window. All right, now let's head outside. Need to steal it. All right, now we're gonna head outside. Got our steel it, our steel gray. A lot of people ask like what the benefits, like what's steel it? Is it just a regular paint? What's the deal? So steel, it's a stainless steel coating, but it's actually, so the benefits, we love it here in off-road. It's extremely durable. You can weld directly through it. So if there was a crack or something, we could literally hook up our welder, weld directly through it right now. And then also you're able to see cracks directly through it. So if there was a crack in this weld here, we'd be able to see it, repair it, and then you can reapply steel it very easily, and you can't even tell, like it's gonna match itself. It's not like a powder coat where you're gonna start chipping then, and yeah, there's a lot of benefits, but that's kind of the summed up version for us off-road racers. All right, quick disclaimer, it is not the most ideal today. Today it's a little cloudy, a little bit colder, and it did rain, but I've had this thing in the shop all day, so it's warm. We have a heated shop. Shh, trade secret, but yeah, so I mean, ideally you want to do this on a warmer day, whatnot, but since we kind of prepped it and the sun's out now, it's warm, it's fine to do it. But if it's cold and rainy and you just have it sitting outside, don't paint it. It's not gonna apply right. This is how easy it is to apply steel it, literally out front of our shop. Shake it up a little. All right, we're gonna go for this. So steel it goes on really thick. You gotta be really careful that you don't overdo it like I do, because I'm a horrible painter. All right, now I'm just gonna let it sit for a little, air dry, and then I'll come back and throw another coat on it. So I've now let the Steel It dry for about 30 minutes, and I'm gonna apply my second coat of Steel It. And for what this is being used for, that's just gonna be our final coat. It's got plenty of protection, but also, you know, it's thick enough that I'm not worried about it. So let's get it. Like I said, this stuff goes on really nice and easy. I'm a horrible spray painter, and it still looks good when I do it. And that is, now I'm gonna let it dry for, you know, a couple hours out here, then we'll put it in the shop. It'll sit for, you know, another week before we put it on the truck, but that's kind of how you apply Steel It. This is on a rear link, but this kind of apply it on everything. You know, this was already coated with Steel It, so it's pretty simple. If you're gonna do your first coat of Steel It, you do wanna make sure you do some type of good abrasive underneath, you know, sandblast it, wire wheel it. If you go on the Steel It website, they have all the tutorial and all the different, you know, recommendations of how to get a proper, because that first coat's essential. You really want it to grab on, and then it'll last for years. I mean, we run it on the trophy truck, and I mean, it's amazing what this takes out in the desert, because we put her through a lot. But Steel It, baby. Been using this stuff since 2015. We love it. All right, 2023 Bronco build update. We're actually touched this thing. We had a little bit extra time at the shop, so finally got the time to pull the motor out. I remember we were saying we had some drivetrain problems, so pulled the motor out, dropped it off in a motor guy's. He's gonna take it apart and see if he can find anything, but there's progress. That's what I just wanted to show. You know, everything else, all the interior and stuff like before is the same. Like, this thing's so close, but now we have these motors issues. So yeah, now we fixed that, or not fixed that, but we got progress going. So yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to say. But I just want to show you people, because everyone, what happened to the Bronco? What happened to the Bronco? I can't believe you stopped building the Bronco. We're doing something. We're doing something. So chill, bro.